Uses 24 Aruban Florins pure, bare copper twisted pair conductors. 50 micrometer gold-plated contacts. Features molded, snag-less strain relief boots. Connectors are wired to TIE, EIA 568B standard. Features: Unshielded twisted pair, UTP, Category 6 Ethernet cable. 24 Aruban Florins stranded, pure bare copper conductors. 550 MHz bandwidth. Snagless cable boot protects the plug retaining clip. 50 micrometers gold-plated contacts. Top reviews from the United States. Good cable. Purchased several of these cable for connecting uplinks at client site. I use red cable to help my customers' management know which connections are uplinks to other network equipment to ensure helpful staff members keep their hands off the uplink connections when they are trying to be helpful and troubleshooting before calling IT.